Hey there, sports card fans. I've got a break for you. We're doing a Bowman Chrome Megabox from 2020. I already started opening the plastic around the box because I didn't want to have to waste time doing that. And here we go. We got excuse me. We've got I think 6 packs. No, 4 packs. Is it really? Five? Oh yeah, okay. 5 packs and 2 bonus packs. Excuse me, allergy stuff. So without further ado, first pack. We've got Mookie Betts, Jacob deGrom, Ketel Marte, Tim Anderson, Jorge Alfaro. Okay, pack number 2. Bobby Bradley. That one is a rookie. Come on. Let me turn autofocus off and do this. Okay. And turn autofocus back on. And we're still slightly out of focus. There we go. Gleyber Torres, Francisco Lindor, J.D. Martinez, Freddie Freeman. Okay. Pack number 3. Whit Merrifield. Oh, only 3 rookies in this pack. John Means. Do the non-rookies first. Let's maybe do the focus thingy. Okay, Trent Grisham. Might be a little too close. Aaron Civale? Not really sure how to say that. And Logan Allen. Okay. Pack number, well, let me get focus again. Pack number 4. Manny Machado. Blake Snell, Anthony Rendon, Corey Kluber, Chris Bryant. Okay, last regular pack, then we'll move on to the bonus packs. Oh, weird. Huh. Manny Machado, Blake Snell to start off this pack also. Fernando Tatis, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., and Paul Goldschmidt. Let me just make sure I didn't miss any rookies real quick. No. Okay. Okay. Moving on to the special packs. Megabox bonus pack 1. I've also got Jeopardy on over there, and I'm doing some stuff on my phone. I'm multitasking. Okay. Oh, right. So these special packs are prospect cards. So we've got Keibert, Keibert Ruiz, Leody Tavares, Alex Fado, and Tony Santillan. Okay, and if you remember, it's the Megabox Chrome design. Oh, I have the autofocus off. Here. So you can see that little refractory pattern in the back there. And an insert Dawn of Glory Joe Adele. Also with that refractory pattern. Okie doke. Second bonus pack. And last pack of the box. Oh, I see some color. Oh, very, very nice. I think this is a pretty good one. Noelvi Marte, Jorge Mateo, Ryan Jensen, Keegan Akin, and I got looks like a pink refractor. Estevan Florial of the Yankees, numbered to 199. Oh, hold on, let me fix the focus. For 147 of 199, Estevan Florial. Really neat card. So cool. So let me see if there's any information on eBay about that. Looks like it's maybe a couple of dollars. All right, so we got that one parallel, one insert, 1, 2, 3, 4 rookies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Wait, I can't remember what sign off I usually use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't remember. Anyway, have a good one.